Hey everybody, welcome back to Guns and Gadgets, your source for Second Amendment news. Got to do a quick little update that just came across my interwebs, and I'm doing daddy business for the moment, so it's going to be kind of on the fly in my new vlog setup. Everybody say hello to Bella.
Hello.
And wave to everybody. She's looking at my screen on my lap so I can see if I'm in frame. Thank you, baby. Alright, so today, while we were all immersed in voting and making sure we either got in our candidate or tried to keep out a candidate we didn't want, the Democrats slid one in under the cover of darkness. H.R. 7115 has 16 Democrat co-sponsors, and it was sponsored originally by Representative Frank Pallone out of New Jersey. Now I'll read right from parts of the bill, and I'll have the bill in the description, but the legislation is to prevent the sale, possession, and advertising of 80% lowers, gun part kits, etc. Did you copy that? They want to get rid of lowers and kits now, part kits. It goes on to say this, to prohibit the sale, acquisition, distribution in commerce, or import into the United States of certain firearm receiver castings or blanks, assault weapon part kits, no such thing as assault weapon, and machine gun part kits, and the marketing or advertising of such castings or blanks and kits on any medium of electronic communications, to require homemade firearms to have serial numbers, and for other purposes. This is looking to get rid of the ability to build your own firearm from a lower. Sounds like to 3D print as well, to get rid of the ability to purchase or even sell lower kits for parts, springs, etc. This is a pretty wide cast net that they just threw out. Now, the odd part is that it doesn't just specifically say lower. It just says receiver castings. So that could be an upper receiver as well. Now, if you're saying, Jared just said this is going to get rid of 3D printing too, but what he just read really doesn't say that. H.R. 7115 is entitled 3D Firearms Prohibition Act, so that it's going to go after that as well. Now, it didn't take them long. They just took over the House, or a majority of the House, on November 6th. It's only 7 days later, and they flew this underneath everybody's nose. I'll have a link, like I said, which will have the entire bill there. You can also click to see who the co-sponsors are, to see if any of these dopes are in your neck of the woods. One of them belongs to me, Jim McGovern. He's terrible, terrible, terrible. But need to spread this along, get this out to everybody you know, start making the phone calls, start emailing them, because once their new session starts, ladies and gentlemen, like I told you less than 24 hours ago with a video, just can't sit still, this one. I told you less than 24 hours ago, it's coming, and it's coming hard, and it's coming fast, and they're probably not even going to make it enjoyable. Till we see each other again, this is Jared from Guns and Gadgets. Please join the channel, join the other means of social media. It's in the description of every video. And until we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, carry a weapon. Say goodbye, Bella.
Bye. We'll see you later.
Take care, everybody.
Take care.